So yeah, I'll be showing you how to how to promote social media account and social media page on this site. So this site is actually great for promotion and it's one of the best that I know. Alright, so yeah, I'll input the link to this site under the video. Alright, so you can click on it and you land to this page. So I already signed up and all you have to do right now is just sign up. Alright, so I'll be signing in my own straight away. Alright. So I'll just be showing you a few tips about this site. Actually, I've used it for a client and it actually works. So here what this site is doing. Okay, so there I go. I'll click on the link. So here what this site is doing, and it's for social media promotion. You want to promote your social media page, you want to promote your followers, you want to promote your views, you want to promote your likes, you want to promote your watch hours, you want to promote your things like that. Just promote your engagement. This is what this site is for, and it's actually working. So note, this is not for you. It is for you. Add the money. That's the actual price for promotion. Which promotion? So you add the money here and you promote your site, and there's no scamming or anything for the site. It's one place about it. And note this the likes and everything. They are not fake. They are real. So and it's not like not dropping. Okay. So the likes are done by both and women. So those women, this site will carry the job. They'll carry it from sites that are promoting and people will promote it. And also supposed to do 30%, but and you know that the 30% is strong, everything is okay. So and that they'll give you the date that you use to promote your promotion will be done. Alright, so now let's go for example, let's look at Twitter followers. Let's look at Twitter followers. Okay, so the minimum for Twitter followers is 510,000. Alright, 510,000. And if you want to do it, it's 700 per 1,000. 700 followers at 1,000. Okay, 700 naira per 1,000 followers on Twitter. Alright, so and if you check another one, let's check another one again. Let's check Instagram live. Instagram, you see, maybe Instagram live, 71 naira per 1,000. 71 naira per 1,000 for Instagram live. And if you check let's check again Instagram live. Let's check Instagram auto live. Okay, this one I don't know what this one shows, but it's the same thing as that. Okay, let's check maybe let's look at YouTube. Okay, let's look at YouTube. What time it is 12,299. Let me say 12,300 per 1,000 watch hours. Okay, so if you do this already, you just all you have to do, and you know the amount of promotion was made. Maybe you need 5,000 watch hours, so you can just come here straight away and you have to order 5,000 watch hours. For example, you put it here. You put the watch hours you need. I need 5,000. Let me say 5,000 watch hours. So the price for 5,000 watch hours is 61,499 naira. So if you find a client and you need 4,000 watch hours, that means you'll be charging how much? You're charging just to click here. You're charging 49,199 naira for 4,000 watch hours. So with this 49,000 naira now, you can just see 4,000 watch hours is maybe 70,000 naira. Alright, you can just see 70,000. And note, before you charge any client, make sure you already know the price for this, because and make sure you come and check. It's not that when you collect money the price will go high or the price on it. Firstly check before you charge. Alright, so that is it for this. And maybe now as I said earlier, maybe the price for this promotion is 49,000 now. You can just tell the person maybe it's 70,000 now, so you're getting around 20,000 naira pro. Alright, so this is for you to do this, and the ones to already confirm it, don't take anything. So and make sure you input every required details. The link, the channel link, make sure it's there. Alright, make sure you put everything out. Right, so sometimes what you have to do right now is to do anything like this, you have to start first. You have to start your account. Once you start it, that's it now. Yeah, as you check more 4,000 watt hours, it is 49,000 plus. Maybe you start 50,000 and just click on add phone. You want to click on add phone, you don't use any bank transfer or anything. So maybe you have this amount, you have 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira. 50,000. So I advise him bank transfer. So this bank transfer is more better than total bank card. It's more faster. Right, so you click on pay, first click on pay. Bank transfer. No, this is bank transfer. Right. If you go to the phone, transfer only the amount, transfer and the leave your account and okay, so I understand this and continue. So this is time to transfer it to the bank details. You transfer it to screenshot it and copy it correctly. If anything is incorrect, your money is gone already. That is the money is gone and there's nothing that you can do because you are not able to belong to anything. So once you input it, once you have done it and you copy it, once you have made payment, so you'll be able to do your payment. You need to use your once you have returned the amount to show on your page here. Alright, show here. This one I'm showing you guys, also 106 naira. Not 200 naira, 200 naira, 20,000. I don't have that. Okay, so once you have that, then you are able to promote the account. After everything, every required details. After everything required details, you need to promote the account. So this is going to help you promoting social media